In this Mid-Year Madness 2023 review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to 51 of your very own products that you can sell right now and keep 100% of the profit. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Mid-Year Madness 2023, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, how would you like to sell 51 of your very own products? You get reseller rights to 51 best-selling products, includes 8 never before offered ones. Sell them as if they're your own. Keep 100% commissions across the sales funnels. That's huge. So not only do you get the money on the front end offer, but you also get the OTO sales as well with this, and you can access all those products. Now, these aren't just like PLR things that have never been released before. These are products that have already been proven to sell. You can actually see his earnings that he shares right here. This is $30,000 that he made in 30 days. I know that he makes money because he launches products all the time, which is why he's able to offer you guys such a great deal on this. And it's a very low one-time price. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and play a quick video explain this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the back-end area and the OTOs and the discounts.
It's the middle of 2022 as I'm making this video. And let's be honest, it's already been a tough year. Wars, a cost of living crisis, fuel price hikes, and food shortages are affecting pretty much every nation on the planet. We all need a bit of cheering up, especially here in the internet marketing world. So I've decided to bring forward the bargain bundle that I usually release at the end of the year. Welcome to Mid-Year Madness 2022. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and along with my launch partner Brewery Drayman, we've put together the ultimate feel-good release for this summer. Inside this high-value bundle, you will receive all 12 of my 2022 releases so far, as well as all 20 releases from 2021. That's a whopping 32 products in total. Scroll down the sales page for a full list of everything that's included. But that's only the start. Not only can you enjoy these products for your own use, but we're also including 100% reseller rights on all 32 of them. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can sell any of these 32 products as if they were your very own and keep a massive 100% of all the commissions you earn. Now, if that doesn't cheer you up, then I'm guessing nothing will. But even better, if you pick this up during the short launch period, you can even get this product for less than $10. That's right, 32 products with reseller rights for little more than the cost of a decent coffee. Getting started is easy. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Mid-Year Madness 2022 before the price goes up. Step 2. Access the 32 high-quality products and enjoy them all yourself. And Step 3. Apply for your 100% reseller rights and enjoy unlimited 100% commissions over and over again. But don't delay. The price will be going up to $29.95 just as soon as the launch period ends. Now don't get me wrong, that's still a bargain, and if you're seeing this after the launch is over, you've still grabbed yourself a damn good deal. But if you are lucky enough to be seeing this early, then take fast action today. And myself and Brewery look forward to seeing you on the inside. Okay, so here I am in the members area of Mid-Year Madness 2023. Using this product is very straightforward. When you come into the members area, you just have a look at the very quick welcome video from myself and my launch partner Nagendran. Then we move into a quick overview of Mid-Year Madness 2023. The training really is pretty simple, folks. It just shows you how to access the product. So once you've watched the training, just move on to this button here, grab your 100% reseller rights, and then just click on each of the items individually to request your reseller rights, and you'll be upgraded to 100%, which means that you can sell all of these products exactly as if they were your very own, and keep 100% of the profits. And then you can access all the products yourself by clicking on this button here. So you'll have reseller rights to 51 products, and you'll also have a copy of those products to use yourself. It is really, folks, the ultimate bargain bundle, the ultimate reseller rights package, and the ultimate no-brainer. So let's see you in that members area in just a moment.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area that you're going to have access to after you purchase. There's the overview of the entire system, the main training section, how to get the resale rights, how to actually access the products yourself, extra resources, and the conclusion for this, plus a bunch of bonuses as well. Now, there are multiple upgrades. The first one is you actually get bonus rights. So you can not only sell these products, but you can give them away as bonuses. And that's great if you're doing things like affiliate marketing. But here's what I want to show you is if you go to this page and you click the no thanks button, here's what's going to happen. You're going to get offered the exact same offer, but you're going to get it at a discounted price. You get, it looks like what it was like 37, you get like $20 off of that. So it's a huge discount on that. So I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button.
Now,
I appreciate it. Next one you're going to see here is a total traffic fix. So you get 6 super solo ads to 35,000 members at 25 sites. So if you're looking for traffic, this is normally $197. Hit that no thanks button. And of course, thanks to this special insider tip, you can get this for $97. That's a $100 discount. Now, this is 100% resale rights to this offer right here. So you can actually resell this. Of course, you're not going to pay that. You're going to click that no thanks button, and you're going to get it at a discounted price for $27. And then they've got another one here, which is weekly done for you campaigns. Normally $97. Click that no thanks button and get a discount. And then the last one is you can get access to his beta tested program where he actually even launches a product with you and you earn 25% of the profits and he absorbs all the costs. Normally that's $997. If that's obviously it's not a cheap offer, but it's like coaching program essentially. You can also get it at a monthly price. I think it's like three payments of $497. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Mid-Year Madness 2023 and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, if you're not in the internet marketing niche, if you have no need for a product to sell, and if you have no interest in going through any of these, then this might not be for you. What do I like about this? This is done for you products, especially if you've been looking for bonuses and you get that first upgrade as well, where you get the bonus rights to this. It could be really worth it for a lot of you to have high quality bonuses. So yeah, it's there for the picking. If you want to take advantage of 51 done for you products that you can use for yourself or resell, then go for it. Thank you so much for checking out my Mid-Year Madness 2023 review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.